Hello again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. A lot of you have requested WOWO's detailing products to be reviewed on the channel. I'm always listening, so I grabbed a few. First up, we're going to showcase the WOWO's nano-polymer crystal sealant. Hey, let's just get right into the video. WOWO's Crystal Sealant is a nano-polymer-based spray sealant with cross-linking nano-siloxane, which creates a mesh across your paintwork, and that will be chemical resistant, will give you high gloss, and high hydrophobic properties. What you're going to need is the sealant itself, a microfiber towel, a microfiber applicator, your detailing PPE, which I really wished I would have started using early in my career, and that includes gloves and a mask. Anything that creates dust or atomizes when you spray it, protect yourself. What I'm going to do here, you can either spray it directly onto the panel or into that microfiber applicator, which is the way I always like to do it. Spread it out on the panel and then do a crisscross cross-hatching pattern. That ensures even coverage. Definitely a user-friendly sealant. Let me give you the first-person view so you can see just how easy this is to use. I like the slickness. I quickly feel under my microfiber, and the gloss is impressive as well. Simply repeat what I just showed you there all the way around the car from top to bottom, one panel at a time. Protect your headlights, taillights, plastic trim, chrome, aluminum, grills, vents, glass, mirrors, all hard surfaces on the exterior of your car, truck, or motorcycle. I enjoyed working with the sealant. It took me no time at all to get around this crossover. I'm enjoying the slickness and the gloss and the results. Time to put some numbers behind what we are seeing when it comes to gloss and reflection. Anything in the 90s is impressive, and we are heading well into the high 90s. Okay, that will bring us to the final thought segment of this video. WOWO's Wax On, Wax Off nano-polymer crystal sealant. It's under 20 bucks for 500 milliliters, so the price is right. A little bit does go a long way. It's very, very easy to use. You're going to be around your car very quickly and protect it very quickly. You can use it on all hard surfaces. I will leave you know what durability and gloss looks like as we go months into this new year. We will revisit the sealant and update you on durability. So if you have any questions at all on the product, don't hesitate. Leave your questions down in the comment section. I will get back to them. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.